guys, welcome to a new video. I hope everything is alright over there. Today I'm so excited, I'm so happy because you guys watching me, and it's Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. So today I had planned to show you how to make a delicious chopped cheese with beef salami. And this sandwich becomes one of my favorites because I never tried it before, but one day came out of my mind and say, oh, let's do it. Let's make these sandwiches. And here's where I work. As you see, this is a beautiful store. Look at that, how beautiful the deli we have over here. We have this cheese. This cheese is my favorite right there. Greek pepper, called the yak cheese. And behind the cheese we have the chipotle mayonnaise. That's one of my favorite cheeses. Okay. So these are the salad section right there. We have the salads, mixed salads, chicken. Sometimes when you go to a store, you don't even know what to order, but here I am to show you what to order, because you know a deli here in New York City, it's very popular. Whenever you come to visit us, make sure go to a deli, also call it bodega, where you can find a delicious sandwich. And I have a phrase for you because I'm planning to do my logo. I want to use this phrase. Watch this. Hola amigos, how are you today? Do you like this phrase? I hope you like it. Okay, so first is first. I'm going to wash my hands. So now that our hands are clean, we're just gonna dry it off. And I'm going to use some gloves so I can grab the meat and show you how it looks. Early here at the store while I was cooking, I heard a big noise. I got a little scared. Some customers too, because there was an accident. There was an accident on the street. That was very, very scary. So if you drive, make sure drive with very caution. This is the roll. This is the lettuce, mayonnaise. This is the salami. And this is the meat. Okay, my friends, this is the roll that we're going to use. This is the burger. Eventually it's going to become chopped burger. And here are the tomatoes. And this is our machine where we can slice the beef salami. This is not pork, it's beef. Beef salami. So I'm just going to turn on the machine. Right there, number 4. Use 1, 2, 3, 4 slices. 4 slices. I'm gonna put the bread in here. I'm gonna throw the meat right here. Also, I want to add some butter to the bread so it could be toasted really good. You see, guys, how this meat is turning up? I'm going to use a pack of sazon. This is our favorite sazon. I use the whole pack. Now I'm going to use some American cheese. Right, just 3 slices. Into the bread. I want to put some mayonnaise in here. Now we're going to use some ketchup. Use some chipotle sauce. Whatever you do in life, if you don't enjoy what you're doing, basically you're wasting your time. So this thing applies when it comes to cooking. If you don't like what you're doing, basically the sandwich is gonna come out really not good at all. So right now it's almost ready, so I want to cut it in half and I'm going to try it and let's see how it tastes. Hello. Sometimes cooking it's not easy. Right here I couldn't try the sandwich, but I want to try it, and also I'm so happy because you're watching me. This is very nice of you. So you want a salad, right?
Yeah.
Look at camera, this is our camera. Do you want some chicken for the salad?
Yeah.
So we are almost going to try this delicious sandwich that we just created. Just give us 1 minute. Wow. The funny thing about making videos is that you can try anything in front of people, actually in front of the camera, and they don't, you don't look at them. Now, right now you're watching it, but you know when you're filming, that you don't care. So that's nice. It's so delicious. Oh my goodness. It's definitely a must try. Alright my friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a little bit. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Consider subscribing. Also I want to thank you for subscribing to you. One of you guys I know you personally, like Rhoda, and all of you guys from Connecticut, and my friend Alex, my father Eddie. Thank you so much. This is a blessing. Every day it's a single day where we can enjoy it and we can try our best, because life is short and you know we don't have time to complain about it. So just make sure to enjoy it. And if you go to Italy, beautiful things can happen when you have a guy that loves to cook. Chicken bread burger? Do you want a half or just like that?